Chapter 14. The Qualities, Three Threads and Their Realities. Krishna said, "Please listen well, the worldly truths I wish to tell. Three forces shape both you and me, they flow through all we hear and see. Sattva shines so bright and clear, it fills the heart with joy and cheer. It brings us peace, a gentle light, it helps us choose what's good and right. Rajas burns with restless fire, it fills the mind with wish and desire. It makes us chase, it makes us strive, but steals the calm from inner life. Tamas weighs like darkened sleep, it pulls us down, it makes us weep. It clouds the mind, it hides the way, and turns our night into the day. These three are mixed in all we do, in earth and sky, in me and you. They lift us up or drag us down, they shape our smile, they shape our frown. But when we see beyond their play, and let their grip just fall away, we rise in peace both deep and wide, and find the truth that lives inside.
Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to stay updated. Krishna Stories!